This is the wax. This is how the wax is. One minute. This is the temperature controlling. No, what's the happen? This is the temperature controlling. You press this one. Now you have to adjust this one 100 degree. After 100 degree, automatically the heat will be off. So below 98, automatically will be on. The light will be on. Now heater is on. So you want to adjust this knob. You want to adjust which temperature you want. You want to adjust the knob. So you want to adjust that means automatically it will be less and increasing. Something like that. Now in demo purpose we are using 65 degree approximately. Now 33 degree. Above 66 degree, automatically the relay will be off. You can see the thing. These are the heaters. One heater is 1000 watts. Diameter 7 inch. 7 inch diameter, 1000 watts heater, 2 liters. Thermocouple. This is thermocouple to sense the temperature of the oven. The oven are made of mild steel sheet metal, glass wool insulation. All are having the glass wool insulation. Length to breadth, oven length to breadth. Length 17 inch. 17 into 17. Height on the all are 17. 17, 17, 17. Made of mild steel. Now 56 degree, 57. 60 degree it will come. Now we are setting the 60 degree. So 60 degree is come, automatically relay will be off. The heat will be off. Above 60 degree. Relay is off. Then it will be decreasing the temperature. Now it will be little bit increasing because heat on below 58 degree, automatically relay will be on once again. This is a closed loop system. Now the temperature will be decreasing because the oven is open. We are having melting is already happened. So melting. Then below 60 degree, automatic relay will be on once again. 62. This is the closed loop system. 59 on 58 on 60, 59. Relay is still off. 58 on 58 relay is on. 2 degree. So now once again it will be heating gradually it will be heating. ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಮೆಲ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. temperature sensor. That's the thermocouple. Temperature 2 heaters. 1000 watts, 1000 watts heater. This is the dewaxing machine. The automatic temperature controlled dewaxing machine.